Come on. How we are going to start our class? हम कैसे करेंगे हमारी class start? With welcome song. चलो, let's start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome once again to this new and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Same as like you all. Now we'll sing fruit salad. Come on, everyone. And I want everyone to sing along with mom. I'm looking at you. Okay, let's start. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad, custard apple, custard apple, pineapple, pineapple, guava, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. And after fruits, what comes after fruits? Yeah, vegetables. Start. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd, potato, potato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables. चलो everyone now stand up. इस खड़े होकर करेंगे अब हम. Stand up, everyone. Now everyone have to do. Stand up. Anshuman, you are not in the class. अब क्लास में नहीं हो. Anshuman, stand up. Start. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd, potato, potato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables. All right, बच्चों. Everyone, रोज़ैन, अंशुमन खड़े होना मतलब क्या होता है? Stand up for the national anthem. Come on, everyone. Stand up for the national anthem. And Naitik, kindly switch on the camera. Chalo. Now, bachcho, as you all know, during national anthem, for showing it respect, we have to stand straight. National anthem पढ़ते वक्त हमें बिल्कुल सीधा खड़ा होना है. ठीक है? So, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Now, attention, everyone. Now, no one is going to move. Attention, and do not look here and there. Start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जया हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे. Jai Hind. All right. Now we have to, don't sit. Who is going to do the exercises? Stand up for the exercises. Roseanne? हाँ. Chalo. So, kids, look, these all exercises are really very important for you all. हम जो exercise करते हैं ना, उससे हमारी body, हमारी bones सब fit और healthy हो जाती हैं. ठीक है? चलो, let's start. Stretch your arms and clap. Stretch your arms and clap. Come on. Stretch your arms and clap. Now fast. Fast. Clap. 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 Now wiggle your finger. Wiggle it slowly, slowly, slowly. Now fast. Wiggle it fast, fast, fast. Now keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी कमर पे रखो and start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Now you have to move your waist. आपकी waist को move करो round and round. Rotate करना है आपको. Yeah, very nice. Come on, Krishna, keep both the hands on your waist. दोनों हाथ कमर पे रखो. Now, everyone, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. और जब तक मैम उठने के लिए ना कहे आपको बेंड ही रहना है. चलो, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. आपके feet touch करने की कोशिश करो. Again, अरे वाह बच्चों, very nice. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Again, come on. Again, one more time. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. All right. Now, bachos, what you have to do? We have to run. Come on. Fast, fast, fast. Run fast. Run fast. Run fast. Fast, 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 fast. Okay. Okay. Come on. Now, अच्छा, today we are going to do one more exercise. We are going to balance ourselves. हमें अपने आप को बैलेंस करना है. तो everyone, आप सबका एक leg fold करो. Kindly let one of your leg. Stand up, everyone. Stand up and fold one of your leg. We'll do the balancing. आपका एक leg fold करो. Come on. एक leg को ऊपर उठा लो. आपको one leg पर अपने आप को बैलेंस करना है. Come on. Fold one of your leg. Fold करो and balance yourself. Balance. Come on. On one leg you have to balance. All right. Arey wow. Very nice. Sit down now. Well done. Very good. Very, very good. चलो. So, बच्चों, आज कौन सा डे है? Which day is today? कल संडे था ना? Yesterday was Sunday. So today is Monday. Today is Monday. आज कौन सा डे है? Which day is today? Today is Monday. And the date is 18 October 2021. अच्छा, बच्चों, how many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने days होते? Show your fingers. Yeah, well done, बच्चों, well done. 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. और कल संडे था, तो कल क्या था? Yesterday was holiday ना? So Sunday is the holiday. All right. Acha, pay attention, parents. One more thing I want to tell you. Parents, kindly pay attention. Parents, kindly pay attention. Tomorrow there is holiday on account of Miladun Nabi. Tomorrow there is holiday on account of Miladun Nabi. Okay? All right. Chalo bacho. Now, first of all, we start our class with rhyme. The title of the Hindi rhyme is, क्या title था किसी को याद है? Anyone remember? हम हिंदी में कौन सी rhyme कर रहे थे? Think, think, think. अच्छा, any want to say? Unmute. Unmute करो Annie. Say loudly.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bacha. Chuya Rani, yes. Very good, Annie. So, the title of our rhyme is Chuya Rani. ठीक है? चलो, let's start. We'll say it together. Start. Chuya Rani, लगती हो तुम बड़ी सयानी, जैसे हो इस घर की रानी, तभी तो करती हो मनमानी, कुतर कुतर सब कुछ खा जाती, आहट सुन झट से छुप जाती, जब भी बिल्ली मौसी आती, दुम दबा बिल में घुस जाती. Yes, चलो come on again. चुईया रानी, लगती हो तुम बड़ी सयानी, जैसे हो इस घर की रानी, तभी तो करती हो मनमानी, कुतर कुतर सब कुछ खा जाती, आहट सुन झट से छुप जाती, जब भी बिल्ली मौसी आती, दुम दबा बिल में घुस जाती. Very good, very nice everyone. Chalo, all right. Now, kiddos, now we'll do our English work. ठीक है? Chalo. So, before learning the new letter, let's revise the previous letters first. So, mothers, as I used to say every time before starting the work, ma'am, मैं हमेशा बार बार रिवीजन क्यों लेती हूँ? Because it's very important to learn the phonic sound along with the letters. ठीक है? So now it's your responsibility. Kindly you make sure that the child says the letter along with the phonic sound. It's very, very, very important. All right? चलो बच्चों, अब तो आप बड़े हो गए हो, है ना? आप मैम को कहने की, मैम मम्मा को क्यों कहेंगे? अब तो आपसे कहेंगे मम्मा, मैम. ठीक है? So अब आपको मामा को कहने की जरूरत ना पड़े कोई भी चीज. ऑल राइट? ठीक है ना? अब आपको यहाँ पर ध्यान देना है, हमें फोनिक साउंड्स बोलने हैं. ऑल राइट? सो से इट लाउडली अलोंग विद द लेटर्स. ठीक है? चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. After A, B. Biba, ball. The sound of B is ba. B-ba, ball. Then C. Which letter is this? This is letter C. The sound of C is K. C, K, cat. C, K, cap. Now, after C, D. Bolo bachcho, I am looking at each one of you. Say, D, da, doll. D, da, drum. Then, after D, E. So, E, A, elephant. The sound of E is A. Remember, mothers, there is difference between the sound of A and E. A sounds A. हमारा पूरा मुंह खुलता है A. And E sounds A. Okay? So don't get confused. There is difference between the sound of A and E. Now, after E, F. The sound of F is F. F for fish. Then G. G ga gun. Then H. H ha hat. Then after H, I. So बच्चों, what is the sound of I? I का sound क्या है? Yeah, I ice cream and I insect. So sometimes it says I and sometimes it says E. Then J. J ja joker. J ja jug. After J, K. K ka kite. Then L. L la lion. After L, M. Emma monkey. Emma mango. Then what comes after M? M के बाद अब क्या आएगा? N. Anna nose. Then O. O orange. O owl. Kiara, sit properly. Kiara, sit properly and pay attention here. Then after O, P. Peepa, parrot, pigeon. After P, come on, say bacho. Q. Which letter is this? This is letter Q. Q says qua. Qua. The sound of Q is qua. Q qua, queen. Q qua, quill. Then after Q, R. R says ra. R says ra. R ra, rabbit. R ra, rose. Then after R, S. S says sir. S sun. S snake. Okay, so till here we had completed. So today we are going to learn the next letter. Letter T. Sleeping line and standing line. It's a very simple letter. Makes letter T. The sound of T is to. The sound of T is to. Tita, tomato. हमने वेजिटेबल्स में पढ़ा था ना टोमेटो टमाटर. Tita tomato. Tita tub. And Tita tent. T. Which letter is this? This is letter T. One sleeping line and one standing line. Makes letter T. Okay. So now everyone get your literacy skill and workbook. First of all, you get your literacy skill book and then you have to open page number 61. So I'm writing the book name and the page number in the chat box. In case of any doubt, you kindly see there. Your literacy skill book, page number 6161. Okay, chalo. Now everyone look at your book. Look, which letter is this? देखो यहाँ पर standing line और sleeping line makes letter T. ये कौन सा letter है? T. Okay, so Theta, tiger. Theta, tiger. Naitik, cover your mouth. Theta, tiger. Now look, there are so many things which starts with letter T. चलो अब हम देखते क्या क्या आता है T से. Yes, theta, teeth. Where are your teeth? Teeth. So teeth starts with letter T. Then theta, tent. Then theta, tomato, red tomato. Theta, top. It's a bebblet जिसको हम घुमाते हैं, लट्टू कहते हैं हिंदी में. Top. Then theta, tree, पेड़. And theta, train. This all things, this all words starts with letter T. Okay, now everyone turn on the page. Page number 62. Now you have to trace letter T with your pointer, with your finger. Come on, show your finger to me. Now trace it. One sleeping line and one standing line makes letter T. Sleeping line and one standing line makes letter T. Which letter is this? This is letter T. Now, bachcho, on page number 6363, as you all know this activity, so there are some letters given. Okay, you have to color only that circle in which capital T is written. You have to recognize capital T. देखो किस circle में capital T लिखा है, and then you have to color that. Okay, chalo, come on. So, बच्चों, which letter is this? Come on, say. Letter T. Letter T. T. The sound of T is to. Come on. In your literacy workbook, page number 2020. So, you have to just look here. Look, what, which is the letter you are learning? Which letter is this? This is letter T. One standing line and sleeping line. So just now, I told you that T says ta. What is the sound of T? Ta. Tita. Telephone. Tita. Tree. Or train. And tortoise. कछुआ, कछुए को हम tortoise कहते हैं ना, that too starts with letter T. Now kids, what you have to do, you have to color letter T, and using the color codes you have to color the tortoise as well. ठीक है? चलो, do it. Come on, color it neatly inside the lines. Now you are grown up. अब आप बड़े हो गए हो, अब हमको अच्छे से color करना है ना? So try to color inside the lines. First of all, color letter T, and then you have to Color Choto is using the color code. Letter T. Come on. Which letter you are learning? Which letter? So what you have to do? You have to make one sleeping line and one standing line. This makes letter T. Letter T. Say and write. I want everyone to say it and then write it in the copy. सिर्फ लिखना नहीं है हमें, we have to learn it. Letter T. And I'm looking at each one of you. I'm not going to give the star then. In the copy, star or balloon कुछ भी नहीं दूंगी then मैं. ठीक है? चलो. So write down. Which letter is this? Letter T. One sleeping line and one standing line. One sleeping line and one standing line makes letter T. Makes letter T. The sound of T is T. T. Tita, tomato. Tita, tent. Tita, tub. Tita, train. है ना? Chalo, come on. Yes.